When coming to a stop, the idle on my 3.0 liter Ford Ranger has been bouncing around a bit, so I'm going to tackle two different ways to try to help correct this. First is cleaning out the mass airflow sensor.
First thing I want to do today is I want to show you guys how to clean the mass airflow sensor. So the first thing I'm going to do is unclip these clips. I'm going to loosen this. Okay. Now I can disconnect it. Alright, so you have to lift this up. Then you can press this down. And then you can pull it off.
And now we can use a size 20 Torx to remove the screws on the mass airflow sensor.
Alright. And here we have the mass airflow sensor. It's looking a little dirty, but we have some mass airflow sensor cleaner. It's very sensitive, so we don't want to touch anything in here. When I say touch, we don't want to touch the straw or a finger inside there, just the liquid. Okay. And when we put it back in, we want to check this little diagram here. I don't know if you can see it. It says flow, and it has an arrow pointing where the airflow goes. And the airflow is going to go this way, or basically this way once we get it on. So we want to plug it back in like this. And now we can screw this back on and put this all back together. Okay. Now I can clip this back in. Then slide the red thing back down. Once it's in there, plug this back into place. We'll throw our clips back on. And then we're going to tighten this back up. And that is it. We have a clean mass airflow sensor. Okay, what I want to do is clean my idle air control assembly here. Okay. I'm going to use some of this carb and choke cleaner to help clean this valve out. Just by looking at that liquid, you can tell it's a little dirty, but I'm also going to get some Q-tips. But as I go and get the Q-tips, I'm going to let this soak and sit a little bit like this. So hopefully that does some work while I'm getting some Q-tips. Oh yeah. I'm using this toothbrush, this old one that I use for cleaning, to help clean this out too. Now I'm keeping it upright so none of the liquid gets into this base. It's already starting to look much cleaner. I'll do a little bit in here too. Alright, and it's looking pretty good. I'm just going to do one last spray. Alright, now I can put this back together. Alright, all clean. And the idle's no longer dipping and stuttering when I come to a stop. So this is exactly what I wanted to do. It's working, and that feels great.